Door handles and knobs are little things that have a big impact. There are many choices that can match and beautify the style of your interiors. Let's look at various types of handles and knobs. Cabinet handle. Cabinet handles are classic handles that are fixed from two pivots, one at each end. Drop handle. Drop handle has a teardrop-shaped handle or decorative finger gap. It is fixed in the center of the handle. Drop handle is used for small-sized drawers. Ring pull handle. Ring pull handle looks similar to teardrop-shaped handle. There is a ring that hangs from the top of a backing plate. Door or drawer knob. Drawer knob is round in shape. It is made of wood, metal or ceramic. There is a screw projecting from its back which is used to install it to the door or the drawer. Drawer pull. It is a single-piece handle. They are used best for cupboards and drawers. D-handles. D-handles are made of wood, metal or plastic. They are best suited for simple or stylish furniture. Sliding door handle. These handles are circular or rectangular in shape. They are used for sliding doors.